Alright, let's see how to set up an MCP client with Docker, okay? We're currently running N8N through Docker. I've already shown you a bit about how to configure it. Let's go to Images and click Run. For optional settings, type the N8N container, then 5678 for the port. Save the host path in Documents, wherever you prefer. The container path works the same way. I've set the container path to /home/nodes/.n8n, okay? Not sure if we can find it from here. Nodes N8N. No. Well, yes, okay. So we'd save it here, and then for variables, we need to add this. N8N community packages allow tool usage set to true, okay? And then we click run. All right, with all this, let's head to the settings section. We'll go to configuration, then to community nodes. And here we'll get the N8N nodes MCP node, okay? We click here, boom, boom, paste it, click I understand, and get. As you can see, it says I already have it, so that's perfect. Now we'll enter workflow, create one that says, when you get a message, create an AI agent, link it to ChatGPT with new credentials, add simple memory, and the first MCP client. This MCP client is set up. For those who don't know how, basically, you click here, select MCP client tool, and choose list tools as the tool type, okay? List tools. All right, in MCP client, we'll need to select credentials, where we'll have Studio selected. Okay, we use npx as the command with arguments. To see what MCP servers are available, let's go to the model context protocol. Inside that, we'll head to the servers section, alright? Or code, as we can see. Basically, we just type /server, and that's it, got it? We scroll down, and here we can see the types of servers available. For instance, Brave offers web and local search using their API, see? This server, for example, allows us to search. Look, it can find businesses, restaurants, and services with details. Obviously, we'd need to create an API key for this. For Brave Search, we'll look up Brave Search API and make a key. Now, since we're using npx, we'll grab the Brave Search at Model Context Protocol server. We'll go to arguments and place it there. Now, copy the Brave _API_ key and paste it below where it says your AP here. Basically, make sure it looks like this, okay? For the expression, put a Brave _AP_ key followed by your API. If the colon doesn't work, you can use an equal sign. That's what I did, for example. Alright, this is important, okay? Now let's tab over. We'll put MCP client tool. Oh, sorry, not that one, the other one. For MCP client, we'll use list available tools with a hyphen, not a dot. I mention this because it won't work otherwise. Some people use a dot and it works for them, but for me, it only works with a hyphen, okay? There's the hyphen, see? Okay. Now we'll link an MCP client to list and execute tool. Let's run the node. We're getting the list of tools, okay? And here we have the fully functional list of tools. It's that simple.